What's up, guys? If you're ordering online groceries with Blinkit, here are the best coupon codes and discount offers for 2025 and how to use them effectively. Step 1. Always search for current codes. Before placing an order, search online for the Blinkit coupon code 2025 or Blinkit promo codes. These change frequently, so checking first ensures you don't miss the latest deals. Step 2. Visit top coupon sites. Check reputable websites like Decidime, Coupon Chief, and Withrift for verified Blinkit discounts. These platforms update codes every day and highlight ones that actually work. Step 3. Sign up for Blinkit notifications. Download the Blinkit app or visit the website. Keep an eye out for push notifications, app banners, and email alerts. They often include exclusive promo codes for existing users. Step 4. Apply your coupon at checkout. Add your items to the cart, go to the promo code box, and paste in the code you found. Examples include Blink 10 for 10 Indian rupees off or Blink free for delivery discounts. Make sure the discount reflects before finalizing your order. Step 5. Combine deals when available. During special events like festivals or sales, use available app coupons with Blinkit's own discounts, double savings without extra effort. Final step. Read terms carefully. Check the offer's validity period, minimum order amount, and any product restrictions. A valid code for 50 Indian rupees off may only apply to orders above 200 Indian rupees, for example.